Basement slabs should slope consistently toward a floor drain or sump so water never pools. For typical residential basements, follow the thumb rule of a slope between 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch per foot toward the nearest floor drain or sump pit, which balances effective drainage with a level surface for finished floors. Begin by laying a compacted granular base and a continuous vapor barrier to control moisture transmission before placing reinforcement and pouring concrete. Use a screed and string line set to the calculated slope and check elevations with a spirit level or laser level every few feet to maintain uniform fall. Include a perimeter drain tied into the sump system to intercept water entering from walls and footing areas, and pitch the slab so that any leaks flow to that same collection point. Place isolation joints at the wall line and around columns to accommodate shrinkage and prevent cracking that creates low spots and drainage traps. Trowel toward the drains, but avoid overworking the surface near the fall, since excessive finishing can create uneven flats that hold water. 3 frequent mistakes are making the slope too steep or too shallow, failing to connect the slab drainage to a perimeter or sump system, and omitting a proper vapor barrier and compaction beneath the slab. If the slope is steeper than 1/4 inch per foot, it becomes uncomfortable to walk on and hard to install finished flooring, so reset forms and recheck elevations to get back to the 1/8 to 1/4 inch range. When the slab drains are not tied into a perimeter drain or sump, water will migrate under the slab or through wall joints, so run the slab fall directly to a gravity drain or pump pit and confirm the piping and trap installations before concrete. If the subgrade is loose or lacks a vapor barrier, moisture will wick and create soft spots, so compact subbase to design density and roll out a continuous vapor barrier with taped seams and upturned edges at walls. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for slab and basement drainage work and helps contractors find projects that match their skills and service area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share field tips, and learn from real experiences.